म्हादय उदका प्रकल्पाविशीं केंद्र सरकारान कर्नाटकाची तळी उखलून धरपाचो निर्णय घेतला। त्या फाटभुंयेर गोवा फॉरवर्डचो अध्यक्ष आनी फांतोडेचो आमदार विजय सरदेसाय मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हो कोण नाशिल्लो मनीस आनी आपले कदेल वाचोवपा खातीर ताणें म्हादयचो गळो आवळ्ळा असो खर आरोप केला। हो निर्णय घेवपा खातीर दिल्ली जाल्ले बसकेत मुख्यमंत्री सावंत आनी कर्नाटका मुख्यमंत्री बोम्मय हाजीर आशिल्ले। मात मुख्यमंत्री सावंतान म्हादय विशीं एक उतर लेगीत काडूंक ना। मात काँग्रेसींतल्यान भाजपात आयिल्ल्या आमदारांक पदां दिवपाचो पदसृश्टी कडेन आग्रो धरलो, हाचे वयल्यान मुख्यमंत्र्याक म्हादय परस आपले कदेल चड म्हत्वाचें हें हाचे वयल्यान सिद्ध जाता अशेंय विजय म्हणटा।
The Chief Minister of Goa was present at a high-level meeting in Delhi, which was attended by Mr. C.T. Ravi and Karnataka Chief Minister Mr. Bommai. I am given to understand that he was clearly told that the central government is approving the DPR of the Karnataka government as regards to the Kalsa Bandura project, which effectively means that our lifeline of Goa is gone. This is the New Year gift of a spineless Chief Minister who, to save his chair, did not utter a single word for this high-level meeting and came back. He had gone there to lobby for the induction of some defector whom he has taken into the party. So a Chief Minister who is interested to save his chair has sacrificed more than mother, which he considered mother to be. So I think the Chief Minister is giving a message to Goans that take your last selfie with Madhai in 2022. The New Year gift of this double engine government is that they have given you an incomplete bridge made by Manohar Parrikar and taken away your lifeline, and it has been gone forever. If we have such type of spineless chief ministers, we are going to sell Goa to anyone who comes for the auction. I think for his chair, he will sacrifice all the interests of Goa. Madhai is gone. Next, the coal has been allowed. Our environment is finished. Everything will go, and only what will remain is the chief minister and his chair. So I think it is high time he should resign and save Goa by resignation and bringing in a person who can fight for Goa even with this double engine Sarkar.